Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I clean the sink area using the citric acid from Citric. It's a natural ingredient, so it's the citric acid. Descales, degreases and removes rust because this is the first time I've actually come across citric acid, and it's kind of weird because it's from Citric, which is used, for normal cleaning products. So I'm going to try it out and see how well it works. I'm just going to look and see in the ingredients part. So it just gives you the warning, citric acid. Okay, Citric contains citric acid. So I'm guessing that is, all the ingredients. I don't see anything else. I got this from Home Bargains, and I think it was £2 or £2.99, something like that. So we're going to try it out today. So I'm going to use my Morrison's scrubber that I got from Morrison's, the one range. So let's do it together. First things first, gloves. And another scoop. You can see that, but this is just the edge of the sink, and it's literally starting to eat up all the built up grease and dirt that's been on there. So it's really good, but I think you also have to be careful so that you don't get all your other surfaces covered in it. So I'm going to quickly wipe this off. Look at that. This was not, I did not even expect to see that at all. Didn't even know there was that amount of dirt down there. There's the extra dirty bit that I did not expect to see. So I guess I can say it works really, really well. I'm really impressed with that. So I'm going to grab my kettle again, which had extra water, and I'm just going to pour it onto the sink to make sure everything's officially rinsed off. Okay, so this is our finished end result. Honestly, I can definitely say it works just as good as the pink stuff. I love the pink stuff so much. I'm like a huge fan of the pink stuff. So I am really excited to try and clean more with citric acid and see how well it works as an alternative to purchasing the pink stuff. But look at the cleanliness, look at that. Really impressed with that. All the watermarks have gone, and all the lime scale that was building up has also really gone. So I'm really impressed with that. I think it works just as good as, of course, like I mentioned, the pink stuff. So only difference is of course citric acid, and you know, I'm quite wary of having anything acidic or anything like that, because as much as I don't want to say it, but I feel like I can't really trust myself. I don't want to, you know, overdo it, and it's because it's acid. So I'm quite, you know, holding back a little bit because of that. But I love how well it works, and because it's natural, so that's why I prefer having it in the house, because I'm really trying to eliminate all the plastic and all the chemicals, the harsh chemicals around the house. So I'm gonna, you know, continue trying to use citric acid, all, you know, 100% natural ingredients, and this is the first one. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. You have a lovely day.